Hello everyone, my name is Mandeep Reddy Nigala and my roll number is 20ME10040. As part of a third DIY project, assembling and deassembling, I took a bright trimmer from my home and it's not in working condition, and some of the parts are already broken out, like the side parts of it. So without any further ado, let's get into the deassembling part. So from the deassembling part, let's move on with the brief explanation of mechanical and electrical system of this trimmer. Coming to the electrical system, it contains a circuit board, and in the circuit board we can see the slot where batteries can be connected, and two pins to which AC input is given. So we can find externally that when the AC input is given, the LED turns on. So this much information we get from the external view. So from the internal we can see so many components, uh, like resistance, diodes, transformers. May so they convert AC to DC so that it can be stored in the battery. So let's see how they are connected by drawing a circuit schematic. Here is the schematic I drew looking at the circuit board, and this is not from any of the sources in the internet, and because I could not find any sources regarding it, and I could not even verify if it's even right or wrong. So looking into the circuit, here is the battery that we insert in the slot given. So whenever we turn on the switch, DC motor rotates and trimmer works. So to recharge the battery, we actually use AC input. Uh, but the AC should be converted into DC to recharge the battery. For this, the AC has to go through several processes like rectification, transforming, like that, etc. So whenever it goes through the diode, it gets rectified, and this part of the circuit I am not being sure of, so I cannot talk about it. And after the rectified current passes in the transformer, this is basically a step down transformer which converts the home voltage like 220 to 230 volts to the voltage we required 1 to 10 volts. So after the voltage and is converted, and the current becomes DC, it enters into the LED bulb and LED glows. It can be confirmed by looking at the trimmer. When we connect it to the AC input, the LED turns on. So after that, it enters into the GINA diode, which acts as a voltage regulator, and finally it recharges the battery. So we can use the battery again and again. Coming to the mechanical system, as it contains both the DC motor and the clipper blade, I want to show a video which depicts how DC motor controls the motion of clipper blade. Let's dive into the video. The spring causes the clipper blade to make oscillations, and the cam, here it's mentioned, it designs in such a way that it promotes the motion of clipper blade to move in the direction perpendicular to the motion of the trimmer. So that's it. Let's reassemble the trimmer